Welcome to the wild and wacky world of crypto mining. If you're new to the scene, you might be wondering, what the heck is crypto mining, and why is everyone talking about it? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to break down the ins and outs of crypto mining and give you a good laugh along the way. First things first, let's talk about what crypto mining is. Simply put, crypto mining is the process of using specialized equipment to solve complex mathematical equations in order to earn small amounts of cryptocurrency as a reward. It's like a digital scavenger hunt where the prize is a brand new form of currency. But don't let the term small amounts fool you. These rewards can add up quickly, and with the value of some cryptocurrencies skyrocketing, it's no wonder why so many people are jumping on the mining bandwagon. Now, let's talk about the equipment. If you've ever seen a mining rig, you know it looks like a cross between a math scientist's lab and a computer repair shop. It's a mass of GPUs, graphics processing units, fans, and wires that's specifically designed to solve those complex mathematical equations we talked about earlier. And trust me, these equations are no joke. They're harder than a math test on the last day of school. But all that hard work and brain power comes at a cost. And no, we're not talking about the electricity bill, although that is a doozy. We're talking about the equipment itself. Setting up a mining rig is not cheap, and it's not something to be taken lightly. But, as the saying goes, you gotta spend money to make money. And with the value of some cryptocurrencies reaching all-time highs, it's a small price to pay for the chance to strike it big in the crypto world. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, if everyone can mine crypto, isn't it going to lose its value? Well, that's where the concept of mining difficulty comes in. You see, as more and more people start mining crypto, the difficulty of solving those equations increases. This means that it becomes harder and harder to earn rewards, and therefore, the value of the currency remains stable. It's like a digital gold rush, but instead of the gold running out, the gold mine just gets harder to dig in. So, now you might be thinking, okay, I get it. Mining crypto is hard work, but the reward can be worth it. But, how do I even get started? Well, the first step is to do your research. There are countless resources available online to help you understand the ins and outs of crypto mining, from the different types of equipment you'll need to the different types of currencies you can mine. And, as with any investment, it's important to understand the risks before you dive in headfirst. In conclusion, crypto mining is a challenging, but potentially rewarding endeavor. It's not for the faint of heart, but with a little bit of hard work and determination, you too can be a successful crypto miner. Just remember to do your research, and most importantly, don't take it too seriously. It's a wild and wacky world, but that's what makes it so much fun. Happy mining!